Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this 4-pack of Amazon Basics CR2032 coin batteries. So I really like Amazon Basics packaging. Very minimalistic. Here's the back warnings. And they tell you where to start cutting this. Let's check this out. Check out the cutting unboxing experience. Don't cut through the battery. I use these batteries for the AirTag replacements, so I always got to have a lot of these handy. Alright, that wasn't the greatest. Let's check out the back. If you're interested in these, I'll drop a link in the video description where you can order these from Amazon. And they work really well for AirTags. So don't let your AirTags die. Replace them with these batteries. There we go. Positive up top, negative on the bottom. Take one out. All right. Boom. There you have it. Cool. Let me know what you think of these batteries in the comment section below. Again, drop a link in the video description where you can get these from. And hope you're all doing well, everyone. All right, catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.